Can cats drink sink water? Yes, cats can safely drink water straight from the tap in most areas where tap water is safe for humans. Many cats actually prefer running tap water over fresh water in their bowl because their instincts tell them that moving water is fresher and cleaner. If you notice your cat drinking from the faucet constantly, it is usually harmless. However, if tap water in your area has a strong chemical taste, heavy mineral content, or high levels of chlorine, your cat might avoid it or suffer a mild stomach upset. In those cases, filtered water is a better choice. You should also make sure the sink itself is clean, as bacteria or soap residue around the drain can be harmful if licked. If you are worried about your cat drinking tap water, or if you notice a sudden increase in your pet's thirst, consult a qualified veterinarian to rule out underlying health issues like kidney disease or diabetes. To keep them happy, consider getting a pet fountain that provides running water continuously. Just ensure the sink is free from harsh cleaning chemicals so your feline friend stays safe while enjoying a quick sip.